know how we do everything, Chris, in the area. Yaga, yo, man. Who cook the rice? Name chop and Celestia. Jara Fradras, my name Bieleno, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, here representing. I did red, I don't lose my voice. Make I come back to myself. Yes.
That's why it's always good to be yourself. Anything you do in this life, be yourself.
Yes, be yourself. Don't let anybody influence you to go and cause violence. Peaceful election. Let's pledge peace. To be peaceful, loyal, and honest. That's what we pledge. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, papa, mama, pikin, and children, and all the area people. This now I, the red, the only boss we get 4 steering and 4 drivers, and we come here to give you a Jollitainment Saturday. My name is Lenu, and of course, I always deal with my culprits, as we move the call them. First of all, Toby, aka MC Shaggy. Lebo, Ekebo, Go, Ray,
don't add.
And of course, the total one of Nigerian comedy, hashtag I just married. Lucky Shy.
Honestly spoken, which sound I go make now?
And finally, last but not the least, 5-star comedy general. Thank God, no be army. MC Shakara.
Very good. Welcome again. If to say lizard, we'll go for that. Mess up. If to say tortoise, no say this world go hard if I no carry load come. Before coming load. But if you don't know.
The only reason my belly is sweet for this place be say I get one small profile why here yesterday. So I want to take Shakara. Okay. You know say if you get person like Shakara here because you go find another outside. I be the profile people that say if you get relative or top tree, because they go chop fruit when you ripe.
That means that way if you get Shakara here, make you no fit get profile.
It's wrong. It's wrong. That's how it is. Yes.
But you reason now West. If to say tortoise be reason and say this world go hard. If I no carry
because you know that they make us slow. You know they quick do something.
Tortoise and snail. All of them carry load.
Understand?
Of course, my people, I know say this is the I the red, and I hear with the topic where like say it happen for paper, you say for TV or for radio. As far as now news, what you call news headline, we go bring a come talk another way when I don't expect it. Yes, a way you did not never expect it. We will now bring it to the end and come and talk it. It will now sweeten you in the body. And if you now have story, news, topic, or that you want us to come and talk here for it to now sweet you in your body, you now send it to our email, Nana, that is I the red at wazobiatv.tv. Nana. Nana. The Nana no dey do email. Or you send that to us on Twitter at I the red. Hashtag. Just put hashtag.
And hashtag I the red.
No, hashtag in here.
Hashtag I the red.
Because we cannot come and kill ourselves and come and die.
Yes,
come on.
But I hear say one man kill himself wrong.
Shakara!
Don't start. When he kill himself wrong.
He kill himself wrong. Then they find him. They find him with police. They want him.
You know that don't say what the old man see where he sit down. If small pikin clap or talk to you, no go see him. And also, if pikin, what if small pikin see where make they cry, you know if you talk. We adults will not know. So if you won't stop pikin when they cry, you don't know why they cry. Now what you go do with this? Just watch this video.
But it doesn't be every area that thing go work. Now, like all those that the boy area, the way noise no day. When the picking hear that brrrr, go shock, which kind of?
The boy area, they get noise fast now.
The boy area
generator, be like cassava engine.
Now me say any picking with the area with generator, you come say you watch this thing, you want make a cool down.
Some of the picking say the mama they go put fuel for generator, now they burn up. Now you want get
Well, nice one. There are many ways to stop a king from crying. Now they just tell us, sharp.
Yes.
Abi?
But don't be picking where they're born for you, according to Shakara.
And
Use generator a lot.
all those kind of children they're born and not be conk. If the more you cry, say the more they will give you conk, better conk.
Children now we don't wise. You know, say before you go to deceive pikin, you come down and say, wait, ooh, abu, boy, you call the use back then they say, when you cool down, no say one come out, no say one leave me.
Shakara, I don't take care of picking before.
And I want for you.
You see that language you
Best way know this program, no, we don't take care of it. You cannot stay with grandma now. You don't know the drop. Of course, the first topic we get here now, they say they shoot one man because of 5 naira pure water. Make we see the news and hear the talk within the background.
poverty.
One man wey dem dey call Kapo don shoot person die for Ejigbo area for Lagos because the man no gree sell pure water for am. The gbege happen when Kapo say make Mohammed sell pure water give am, but Mohammed no gree sake of say Kapo dey owe am some money wey he never pay am. That is Kapo na Igbese man. After Kapo don kill Mohammed, he come talk say I don treat him F up. One witness talk say Kapo dey sometimes behave like madman. Kapo wey dey live for im mama house for the street don take off comot for area. Even im mama and all the people wey dey the area don fante.
Now me say no be because of the pure water, now kill the man. Yes.
Something else to that.
No, now the story was just so now waiting.
Now something else that make a kill the man. No be
Mother
because of
could
pure
have-
You say anger.
See, some pure water can be very important.
Yes.
You know why? You know,
That's what I'm trying to say.
You get some church one go mention the name. If you go, they go pray for some kind of water give you.
And some
Say
pure water say,
the pure water. Say,
Maybe they pray for that water.
This water say if you use and bath, na beginning of you become a millionaire, and na beginning of your prosperity.
Put your hands
Understand?
together.
So when you carry water reach out, person wey go carry that water na problem.
No
like
problem.
But the case of this one, I buy and go buy him now.
He go.
No, if people like say maybe when they bless the whole bag, in the he follow that bag, reach Mohammed place we buy him.
You say what about this Yoruba area boys now? Then their attitude. If you listen to the story, because say you be done for area, then they call am Kapo. Because they be done for area, I can't want to intimidate people. I think the guy.
But
do
this
so.
Kapo guy, Sha, you need beat.
I tell you now.
Bullets because of 5 naira.
How about
I'm
you?
the person who will offend you.
Oh, boy.
If I say owe you 10 naira, let me say go jump up and
That make we tell.
He say go jump up and
That's true. That if you shoot me because of 5 naira, if they owe you 10 naira, let me say if you go here bomb the person.
See, my suggestion to federal government in short, all this way area boy carry gun, shoot person, copy water. Some even carry gun, go wait person, you want collect him phone.
Yes.
You want collect small phone.
You carry
hold
big
gun,
gun.
you go shoot. May they increase the price of bullets.
Yes.
Make bullet be like 1 bullet is 1 million.
1 million.
As that guy
That time you go to tell the person, wait, hey, bail up! How much you get for house?
The guy go ala shoot.
He reach 1,50,000. You know reach. No one buy bullet. No need to waste bullet here.
Oh boy.
Okay, Shaggy. How will you be for your side?
a rocky side.
The story when dey my side be say now one guy be say yes, he dey run things with him friend wife before. So he wan come try. Say okay, he don't give his life to Christ. He can go meet that him friend. Tell am say, see o, he don't give life to Christ, but I run things with your wife before.
Okay.
Now I say, no wahala. I don't forgive you. After everything, then the guy go back. So make we see where to go.
This na true story of one married man for Abuja wey commit adultery with another man wife. He talk say, I come to apologize to you, say I be sleep with your wife. I beg, I dey sorry. I don't repent. A Bible say make we do restitution, and make me come. I beg, forgive me. The confused husband come look this man. He come ask and say, share your own wife know about this thing. The man say yes. Now the confused husband come say, okay, tell your wife, make she to come beg me as you take her beg me so for this bad thing where you do my wife. True, the innocent woman come beg true. But the husband of this woman not know say the man get his own plan to revenge. So the man come call the woman, come dey torchlight am, come tell am say, I know how many times your husband sleep with my wife. So let me also go as many times where I fit. Then we'll come sit down and talk of what they call restitution. After he don't finish torchlighting the woman, he can open door, dress up, cause stroke or out. Do me, I do you.
That's very. Hey, people should stop that. What's that?
Yes.
It's something wey don happen in the past. It has you don torchlight your wife in the past. All things have passed away. Must you revenge back? If you really want revenge, you hold the man, then you revenge to the man. Innocent woman wey no dey wey happen. I'm not happy.
That guy wife too, na innocent woman, huh?
Which guy wife? Wait, that one agree. That one agree innocently.
Agreed.
Well, whether you agree so innocently or you not agree, for so far there's a torchlighting. You know, everybody understand.
Me, I don't say you.
I don't understand the English word in the constitution.
No. I believe in forgiveness.
You.
Honestly speaking.
But one thing wey me understand this restitution of a thing, you get the one if you keep for yourself.
No, that
Stab your mind.
Well, pastor, una
go
need
to
to
your mind for a very long time.
So pastor, this is they preach this now for church. Say when you don't come to Christ to forgive you of your sin, think of the restitution you go to make.
Yes.
Don't be every restitution.
Yes.
Now you go make. I know if you just go now, go meet Shakara, come tell Shakara, say now your baby be one marry. Me and I be get something that make una no marry. Which kind of restitution that?
You know, say for Catholic church, they go confess to Reverend Father. Now one guy go, people they enter, they come out, they confess heavy sin. Father sit down, they go, God forgive you, bless you, forgive you. Go. Now that guy come say, Father, no, I want to tell you, say. That your younger sister who say I rape her. Father, what? How can you rape me? How can you rape me? Let me go. Before God, stand up.
We go for 1 week, but I will come back. We will forgive all of you people for the sin you have committed against us. Why go for a break? Welcome back, my people. Yes, before we come out, we will talk about restitution. My way, Columbia, another person, wife, come go give your life to Christ, come back. No see restitution wey won't make in your own sense. No tell us say this is the restitution wey they make. This restitution you keep out to yourself. Save it for yourself. You can't go restitute to man where you torchlight your wife.
Keep him.
You can't tell your own wife to go tell her sorry. He now can't restitute.
Because they now won't do this.
Go back. Go to the family meeting.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right. Of course, now don't say this that's the eye they read, and you know the way the team be. All this is what they talk now for whether newspaper or TV news headline. Now they bring and come. If you see anyone where yourself you get, you like more talk, make the thing sweet for body. Follow us on Twitter, we be at @IDRed, or send and give us for email, we be idred@wazobiatv.tv. Shakolo.
Oh, Bob, you know what they laugh? You know, say, for Nigerian music industry, they try to step up and be like all those American artists. Them. If American artists, they do gangster. Some give you some whole Scorpion, the form Curtis, all those kind of things. Some they carry snake like Tupac and the rest. They call it a snap.
Okay.
So our own Davido, he travel go America.
No, point of correction,
No.
David Ferrado.
David Ferrado.
No, Davido go America, so he come reach, he come see where people they use snake, they snap picture. Meanwhile, the snake go they sleep, they don't inject the snake, so the snake no they move. You want to use and snap, come from Bado, because they do poster for, he says he be bad guy. So in the process where we around, he put the snake they sleep, snake can't go wake up. Mo see David reaction. Davido, Mo see reaction.
Take it. Where's the guy? Take it. Yo, where's the guy? Yo, take this shit over here. Take it. Bro, take that shit, bro. You don't want this stick now. Hey.
Shakara, take it.
We don't notice
Now
one
small
thing.
thing, no lay head, now the snake raise.
We don't notice one thing. You know, say Davido they come office here. All those ambassadors they fall But when you don't reach out, because in the bastard they give a chance.
When
They shout take it. The master they look out.
You know say that kind of thing, you no go feel react to yourself. You know if you just snake don't wake up, just kind of come out say,
Yeah,
you know,
bite you.
make you no go attack you.
Yeah.
And they know they feel help person for that kind of thing. So don't be so maybe that I wonder see you get some songs where the inspiration they come later. You know say P-Square sing one song, take it, Alaji. If like
Okay.
they sing the song before the inspiration come.
But looking at this guy here, because if you see song out of this stuff, now experience. Take it. Take it.
See the bastards.
Take it.
Don't you think you
That guy bouncer go read his CV. Give
Now
am.
wetin fear?
Work with
Take your
suppose do.
snake.
Now wetin?
Take your snake.
Now wetin fear fit cause? But no fear factor fit cause anything. Now because of the same fear, na one court come demolish one marriage. Say abeg, make this marriage end because wetin the man carry, the manhood. Aye.
Carteri.
So the woman don dey report say abeg help me. I no fit again. Make we even watch this thing. Shabo see am.
Sharia court for Zamfara State don grant the request for Aisha Ibrahim wey drag her husband Haruna Migana Zinari go court say she no fit continue for the marriage again because she no fit withstand her husband oversized manhood. The presiding judge Shinkafi talk say the woman go pay her husband 47,310 naira wey the husband pay for her marriage before the court go agree to dissolve the marriage so she go fit free herself. Aisha don pay 42,000 naira to the court and pledge to settle the balance of 5,310 naira very soon. I tell my mama say I no fit withstand my husband oversized manhood. She say make I bear am. Say with time e go master me. Na die a day oh. She give me some drugs take but still yet my husband jolo dey give me serious pain.
Rocky, she go back, she go all the way.
And na true, see, you know say I grow up for north. I go feed them this thing. I don't joke with them. You know say that for north, they even do competition, saying they won't know person your way big pass.
Then if the piece finish, then they do it like that. They squeeze it like cloth. You know like squeeze cloth. Make whatever come on.
For the competition, where everybody they come, they call the show instead, they accept the display. One guy come, you won't there for Nika. Not the joke. So you call the proud, call this everybody say I won't win now. You can't go meet one papa. Say Papa, where they register? Papa say where you this? He say see I'm now for my Nika here. The guy say Papa say go. You know win. Me, I contest last year. I no win. See my own photos.
Get one guy in the club body. One guy in the club body that's the side club. They dance. Someone now they yeah. Aya. See what happen? Say the cup. They match up.
You know normally before when I just try to reenact the thing, the way it happened between the guy and the girl. We just say what did it happen? Say she no fit bear am. You know say normally it's supposed to be something of fun.
Yeah.
Oh, now they just say you get the guy sound. I just expect imagine what the guy go do. Yeah. Boko. Yeah. Boko.
Don't laugh they laugh for students. But we thank God for that one, sha. We thank God say we dey progress. Well, this one I dey read as we dey make on a laugh on top serious matter because na be the thing wey we dey do for years. We dey still bring sense out of the whole thing.
Yes, of course.
The matter wey dey ground now na matter wey we concern us now, so we talk am. Say police they don't plan to go strike.
They work before.
Yeah, they work before.
They work.
Now, wetin make dem wan go strike of all days na March 28 they can choose election date. Mo hear the news.
Okay.
Some police officers don threaten to go on strike from March 28, 2015, the very date for the rescheduled presidential election, to protest money wey dem suppose pay promoted officers last year wey dem never pay them. E funny why police officers go choose that date of election to do striking. True, we consider as say e no dey fair for the police authorities to never pay the promotion benefit of the affected officers for so long. But frankly speaking, we no appreciate the unlawful approach wey police officers could take. The Inspector General of Police Sulaiman Abba for one recent statement come warn say any police officer wey e try go strike e go face wetin they call full sanction of the law. That na wetin the oga here be that.
Never answer my question. They won't go strike. Then they walk.
Then
Work before you go strike.
No, they are working. Why can you say
yeah, we get full time. We get full-time worker.
I go say seven police wey beat one innocent man for Lekki there. Say
Okay, all those two wey dey fight, which they hear.
Shoot somebody.
that
Shoot
way be
one guy innocently for.
I go innocent. Why you say that they work?
Then kill one old man for my area. This old man still get many life. The motor wey this old man dey, then they say make the driver
I
stop.
want join there for this.
You know, yes,
The driver no stop. Now they shoot the motor. They are working.
Police they pick people anyhow.
They are
don't
working.
pick you anyhow.
They are working.
I know it's now. They are working.
They
now.
are working.
Even pick one pregnant woman.
Now the question now is say why they can't choose March
No, they can't
28?
overwork.
Then they work.
They need to go this strike.
Why they choose March 28 to go?
No, if you
They
want
want
ask for
copy
something
doctors.
like if you want punish your husband now, say you don't want give him food. Now when he dey hungry, now you go. No be say now
So
when
now
you
when
don't
they
bring
need them
food.
pass now, they want to strike too. No see they
They
say
work.
they are working.
Okay, if I thought they work,
See their last work now when
Wait,
that robbery for.
when we even see whether they fit help election for them to choose election date. You get this next video, most see this video of Nigeria Labour Congress election. You will see what happen there. Show us the video, producer.
It's like this, what you are seeing here. It's because the election, we discovered that the election was perfectly rigged by the president and his executive. We discovered our members, we saw a ballot paper that contains a presidential aspirant in the name of Ayuba Waba. 3 leaflets of that. The Congress reaction, they perfected every arrangement to manipulate the electoral process. Why are we like this?
That's all I have to say.
That is all we have to say, but for now, we saw irregularity.
Oh, serious thing.
Wait, I want to ask you one question, Lucky. Now you bring this video. If you be police, what you go do?
I
For
go
that
look.
crowd where they there like that.
I go dey look.
You come with
They
them.
are working now. They don't be working. They do
They are working.
They do their work. They were looking.
Policemen were there, they don't pass 5.
Now 2. Maybe you see pass me. Now 2 I
No,
even
the
see
one we
them.
first scattered this thing now, where those their camel. Our police now. Only 3
Imagine-
police among all those people.
I mean, look at the
Which
ratio.
work you over there do? How many
Okay.
bullets days that one gun?
Okay, for election wey dem dey do, how many police
Now
dey
if they
assign
go even the
to?
work self.
For election dem dey do, how many police dem dey assign to the electoral
Like
people?
72,000.
Na lie o, one police,
Which
civil
police?
servant, civil
The election where they do
defense.
for election
Civil
where they do
defense.
for Ekiti State. The police where they carry go there. No be make this other guy.
Okay, see there.
See the 2 police there now,
na
see the 2 of them.
3. Okay, see one for that side.
See one for that side.
Okay,
Only 3
3.
of them, what they want to do? You get the way they go even put hand for this thing now, they go scatter them like the ballot paper.
Beat them.
Can you imagine?
Okay, so even though if dem go strike, e no go affect the election because the election wey wan scatter don scatter o.
No,
Well,
it
if
go affect you.
federal government
Make
go wait,
them
let
no
me
go strike.
advise them. They go make them let police go strike. Make OPC then take over the
OPC
security.
can-
OPC and native doctor dem.
Say, normally,
Yes, sir. Make OPC they do the security thing.
They say we don't encourage all this.
See people wey go fit take care of that thing. You see this your what they call it egunu wey dey flog. Make just stand near where the ballot box dey hold that in cane. As you come, you just pray.
You know quick come on, they give you 2.
Remember say dem dey beat egunu.
That time you don't say good na human being.
I don't see Egunu.
You don't forget the time when they wait Senator Atiku Yomi carry you enter plane go London. They call the serve food. They don't give them your chop. They will buy food pass. The best way they will tell you, go say, nah, juju. You know they go for hours. Juju cannot join. Now let Juju remove clothes. Say, hey, your sister, Juju go drink smoke. Okay, smoke. Juju go drink. That's how they run my people every weekend for I the red. And as we tell you before, don't forget, say, if you get news what you want more, we'll talk, send a copy of us for I the red at wazobiatv.tv. And don't forget to follow us for Twitter, we'll be at I the red. Hashtag in here. That's all.
Hashtag I the red. This
Yes,
in here way.
we cannot do anything now at TBSO because we'll be only for against all of Una. So
Yeah, man. I rise for the board.
Pledge peace.
I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be
Right
peaceful,
to be
peaceful,
loyal,
peaceful,
election
free.
And I shall not be
I peace.
scared. I cannot tell you to take it.
I peace, man. Peace, man.